I got a whole lot of video stuff to catch up on. So I'm going to try to get videos out at least once a week. I've got so much material it's not even funny. One of which is these headlights.
Look out!
So I had a guy on Instagram reach out, say, hey, if you do a video, I'll send you some headlights. So here's the headlights. They've been in my truck for quite a while. I didn't just install them and then do a video real quick about how great they were. I've had these in my truck for months and they have been outstanding, I will say that. It's a company called, I don't know how you pronounce it, AISKITS, Ace Kits, I think so. Let me show you the difference with these things. This is what they look like, and they actually have little fans on the back. Everything's better with fans. So these are my old ones. These ones I took out. I've only changed the standard beams, the regular beams, the regular lights. Haven't done the high beams yet. So that's what I'm going to do. But these have been in my truck for quite a while. I did shoot video when I got them and did the difference, showed you the difference between what the normal standard incandescent bulbs look like and what these look like. Much brighter, much like a white light, really lights up everything. Here you go, better visibility, more brightness, easy to install. That's true, at least for my 2014 Chevy Silverado back there. And reliable quality, I gotta agree with that. No glaring, guarantee safety of other side drivers. So here's the videos that I did back then. I'll catch up with you after. So there is a list of warnings for use in the instructions, like don't look directly at the operating lamp for any period of time, things like that. But it also says if the LED bulb flashes or warnings show up on the vehicle dashboard, please connect the resistors, in parentheses, CAN bus, to ensure correct operation. Now those don't come with the kit, but you can order them. They do have them on the website. They also give you some troubleshooting. I guess you could have some issues with flashing lights or something like that. I didn't have any issues at all. These went in super easy. I think the high beams are probably a little bit more involved to get those changed out, but as I recall, the regular, what do you call the headlights? Not the high beams, just the headlights. They were quite easy to install, and I don't know, it took me maybe 10 minutes at the most. And I think on the back of the headlight housing of the Silverado, it's got this plastic cover you have to twist to take out. So you twist that out and everything's right there. You can pull out your bulb by twisting it, and then remove the connector, put in the other connector, and reverse of removal for installation. Overall, very happy with these headlights. I will be doing the high beams here shortly. I'll probably do a video about that and just show you how the whole thing goes. As I sit here editing this video, I'm realizing that the website is not up anymore. Or is there any way to really get to it? They do have a Facebook page I see that doesn't look like it's got anything current, and there's links on there for Amazon, but the links don't work anymore. What a shame. These are good quality pieces that don't have any issues whatsoever. I mean, I've had them for a while and they've worked wonderful for me, and they are I don't know, I don't even know what to say. I can't send you anywhere to get these. There's other LED manufacturers that I'm sure do quality stuff. I don't know, it's the first LED headlights I've ever had, and I'm quite happy with them, and thought I'd share that with y'all and maybe point you in the right direction to get some with another manufacturer if these are not available. Next up, Predator 2 programming for the 2014 Chevy Silverado, because AFM, Active Fuel Management, or DOD, Displacement on Demand, I want to get rid of that. I know there's problems with that system, and the lifters tend to stick and the thing starts clacking. Anyway, it ends up being a really expensive repair. So I'm going to turn it off. In fact, I've already turned it off. I'll show you how that works with this guy. Predator 2, I think this is from Holley, because all the emails I was getting once I ordered it was from Holley. So I can tell you that this thing works excellent. So I'll show you how that works. Next up is a catch can. Gasoline directed engines leave deposits on the intake valve, therefore catch cans help keep that down or prevent it. I don't know about that, but going to be installing one on the Chevy Silverado 2. Now, Project Oddball. This thing has been the biggest thorn in my side. Not because of the car, basically because of me. So, it's been running, not driving, but running. I did trailer this from Texas to Florida. Here's a picture of that. And I think I'm close. I got a Think tool, fancy dancy scan tool, which has helped me. It helped me find just today, as a matter of fact, which it's Labor Day 2022. And I did find that my throttle position sensor connector, which was new, was faulty, right at the pins that connect into it. So I just changed that out, haven't started it yet, but going to get back into that, and I'll get you caught up with everything from there in another episode from the beginning. Man, I can't talk today. Let's try it again. And here comes everybody. Next up is so this guy, Ace Kits, not this guy. I don't have a code to give you. Let's skip that part. Alright, what's next? I'm going to put a catch can on said Silverado. I bought, let me go get that.